Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are gonna try the another video editing app which name is VN video editing app. So just click on this plus icon and import your video. So I have imported my video. It look like this. Just delete this and it is looking like this. So now we are gonna like edit this. So we can, if you wanna split the like three machine, we can click on split and then delete the between scene. So easily you can see that it has removed the scene between them. So whenever you start the video, you should put a transition on this like this, or you can also do it like this and like this, and there are some others. And now I think at the start of the video only these are. So I am gonna go with this. This looks really beautiful. Okay, our video starts. Now put a text on the video. I'm just showing you the basic things that you need for a video, that you need for the video. Green jungle, or like this is also good. So you have put the text on the video, do it here, and then you can like do some things on this. Go to text, no, this is good. Send the name, no. Go to here, and yes, this was the thing that I was looking for. Yes, find it. I think this is good. So let's go with white. I think I should change this, and I think this is the best. No, I don't want to change the color because white look more like, it looks really more cinematic. So I have done a change on it, and now if I wanna like this, wow, yes, remaining good. About the situation, the fade is the best option to do. Okay, so our video will start like this. Okay, it will go only on this, and then it will be removed, and then out animation, fade, spin, or this is also good. I think we should go with this. Okay, so now we will put the transition between them, and let us find the transition that we are looking for. I think this is good, so we will just go with this. And no, I think we should change this. We should select zoom out, or dissolve, or blur. I think we should go with this and this. So we have done so many things in this video. We have put text, we have read like over like text transitions, and now we will do some other effects also. If we wanna do filter, then we can go and select our filter that we wanna do. We can also go with and adjust it, but it will take a lot more time. If you have, I can also show you it, but it can take a lot of time, and it require a proper video. So we will just do little bit adjustments and apply a filter, and then like this is a good filter. I like this, so we have applied. So if I think we should change it. This is looking so much like this is the best. So we will go to this, increase some exposure, we go to contrast, decrease it a little bit, brightness little bit, saturation increases it a little bit, and vignette. This is the best thing that I always wanna like this, make your video more sharp and the more clear it will look. You can see I can show you, I am not just saying. You have seen the water, now you have seen the water, huge difference in it, but the leaves are looking like some differently, so we will just go with this. Okay, okay, yes, okay, I think we are done with this part. And you can see without adjustment and filters, and with adjustment and filters. This is without, this is with. So we can also do it on this also. I think we should have done it earlier, so and just so it will also have applied on this. This is the basic thing that I should have known, bro. Sorry for this. Is there any option to copy it from here? Let me see, please wait a little minute and let me see that does it have any copy option that I can copy it. And no, bro, I have not any option, so we will just go with it. And also we can also do it here also. So filter, adjustment, and which was the option, I think this, or just exposure, increase it a little bit, decrease, increase, vignette, increase, sharp it, make it look more sharp, and okay. I am just saying, I think we should change our filter from here. Let me see that it is same or not. E2, here is also E2, so we cannot change this finally. So this is the thing that we have made. Wow, bro, literally wow. Just split it from here and put the, we can also do this effect. I will do this effect here, just showing you that you can do different types of effect on your video by using this app. Wow, you can see it. Now we will just put a transition here. I want to put a transition here like this, or like this, or like this, and wow. So if you wanna export this, and just go click on export, just wait for, and it will go to your folder. This we can see how fast this is. The best thing I love that about this app, that its exporting speed is very high. So I hope you have liked the video. Please like this video, bro. So share this with your friends who also wanna add their videos. And please like my video, subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye till then.